Buying the best vacuum sealer for food is important, and you certainly don't want to waste your money on the wrong product. With that in mind, I decided to research and rank the best vacuum sealers to see which products are most worth buying. Just be sure to click the links in the description box to see the latest prices for each of the vacuum sealers. Checking in at number 7 is the NutriChef Automatic Vacuum Sealer, which is just about the best food vacuum sealer that you can get your hands on if you're on a budget. The NutriChef Automatic Vacuum Sealer brings convenience to your kitchen with its easy-to-use design. You'll appreciate the soft-touch digital buttons and LED indicator lights on the top panel, making operation a breeze. This smart device takes the guesswork out of food preservation, allowing you to seal various items with just a few simple steps. One of the standout features is the dual sealing modes. You can select the dry mode for solid foods or the moist mode for items that have been poached, simmered, or steamed. This versatility ensures that you're preserving your food in the best possible way, regardless of its texture or moisture content. The vacuum sealer's powerful 110-watt suction element creates an impressive vacuum strength of 12 liters per minute. This means you can quickly seal your food, locking in freshness and flavor. The polyamide bags included with the kit can withstand temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for sous vide, cooking, or reheating in boiling water. You'll find the NutriChef vacuum sealer to be a time and money-saving solution. By effectively sealing your food, you can extend its shelf life up to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods. This means fewer trips to the grocery store and less food waste, ultimately saving you money in the long run. The starter kit that comes with the sealer is quite comprehensive. You'll receive a wine stopper cork, an air suction hose, 5 medium vacuum bags, and an extra long vacuum bag roll. This variety allows you to start sealing different items right away, from leftovers to wine bottles. The reusable and waterproof bags add to the eco-friendliness and versatility of the system. Moving on to the 6th best vacuum food sealer, we have the Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro, which is a top-rated vacuum sealer that offers powerful performance and convenient features, making it a solid choice for sous vide enthusiasts and meal preppers alike. The Anova Precision Sealer Pro combines robust functionality with user-friendly design. You'll appreciate the one-handed operation, allowing you to clamp, vacuum, and seal bags effortlessly. This feature proves especially handy when you're juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen. One standout feature is the built-in bag storage and cutter. You can keep a full roll of bags neatly tucked away inside the unit, saving valuable counter space. The integrated sliding cutter makes creating custom-sized bags a breeze, eliminating the need for scissors and reducing waste. The sealer offers multiple modes to suit different needs. The wet function is particularly useful, employing a low-pressure suction to seal juicy foods without drawing moisture into the vacuum chamber. This versatility extends to the pulse vacuum mode, giving you precise control over the air extraction process for delicate items. You'll find the accessory port adds even more flexibility to your food preservation routine. With the included hose, you can seal specialized canning jar lids, vacuum-ready containers, and even reseal wine bottles. This expands the sealer's utility beyond just bagging foods for sous vide cooking. The Anova Precision Sealer Pro boasts a powerful vacuum and reliable double sealer. This combination ensures a tight seal that can withstand the rigors of sous vide cooking and long-term freezer storage. You'll have peace of mind knowing your food is properly protected from freezer burn and spoilage. While the unit is larger than some competitors, its sleek black design and cord storage help it blend in when not in use. The 5-year warranty offers added value, reflecting Anova's confidence in the product's durability. With its range of features and solid performance, this vacuum sealer could be a worthwhile investment for serious home cooks and food storage enthusiasts. Checking in at number 5 on my vacuum sealer reviews list, we have the FoodSaver Vi 4400 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine. The FoodSaver V 4400 combines a handheld and standard vacuum sealer in one device, giving you the flexibility to seal various types of containers. You can use it for traditional vacuum sealing bags or quickly seal zipper bags in fresh containers with the retractable handheld sealer. This versatility allows you to tackle a wide range of food storage tasks with a single appliance. One of the standout features of this vacuum sealer is its automatic bag detection. Simply insert a bag into the vacuum chamber and the machine takes care of the rest. This feature streamlines the sealing process, making it easier and more convenient for you to preserve your food. The built-in roll storage and cutter add to the user-friendly design, allowing you to create custom-sized bags that fit your specific needs. The FoodSaver 4400 incorporates smart technology that automatically detects moisture and switches to the appropriate mode. This ensures an airtight seal, even when dealing with moist foods. The removable drip tray catches any overflow liquid and is dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup and maintenance. You'll appreciate the consistency of this vacuum sealer. It's designed to reach optimal vacuum levels and create airtight seals every time. This reliability means you can trust that your food will stay fresh for longer periods. The V4400 is built to last, backed by a 5-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind about your investment. The machine is compatible with a variety of FoodSaver accessories, including different bag sizes, zipper bags, fresh containers, and even a quick marinator. You can also use it with mason jar sealers and bottle stoppers, expanding its functionality beyond just sealing bags. This versatility allows you to experiment with different food preservation methods and find what works best for your lifestyle. Now for the fourth product, we have the Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer, which in my opinion is one of the best home vacuum sealer products on the market today. The Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer packs a punch with its 130-watt motor and double vacuum pump. This powerhouse can reach up to 25.1 NNHG of vacuum pressure, ensuring your food stays fresh for much longer. You'll love how it quickly sucks out all the air, even from larger packages. One of the coolest features is the variable settings. You can choose between dry, moist, and double sealing options. This means you're covered whether you're sealing crispy crackers or juicy steaks. Plus, the gentle vacuum pressure setting is perfect for delicate items like soft fruits or baked goods. The Easy Lock handle is a game changer for one-handed operation. No more fumbling around trying to close the lid while holding your food in place. Just pop the bag in, lower the handle, and you're good to go. It's so simple, you'll find yourself sealing everything in sight. Let's talk about the built-in storage and bag cutter. This feature is super handy for keeping your workspace tidy. The clear viewing window lets you see when you're running low on bags, so you'll never be caught off guard. And the bag cutter, it's like having a mini craft station right there in your sealer. The Nesco VS12 comes with 2 rolls of bags to get you started. These should last you a while, but remember, this sealer is compatible with any brand of vacuum sealer bags. So when you run out, you've got plenty of options for restocking. Okay, moving on to product number 3, we have the FoodSaver 4800 Series Vacuum Sealer Machine, which I rate as the best FoodSaver vacuum sealer that you can buy at the moment. The FoodSaver 4800 series brings convenience to your kitchen with its 2-in-1 design. You get both a standard vacuum sealer and a handheld sealer in one unit, giving you flexibility for various sealing needs. The handheld feature is perfect for sealing zipper bags, containers, and even marinating food quickly. Automatic bag detection makes sealing a breeze. Just insert your bag and the machine does the rest. This feature saves you time and ensures a proper seal every time. You'll appreciate how easy it is to preserve your food without any guesswork. The pull-out drip tray is a thoughtful addition to keep your counters clean. It's removable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a snap. This feature is especially useful when sealing moist foods as it catches any excess liquids. You'll be impressed by the FoodSaver's ability to extend food freshness. It can keep frozen food fresh up to 5 times longer than ordinary storage methods. For refrigerated or pantry items, you can expect freshness to last up to twice as long. This means less food waste and more savings for you. The machine's versatility shines with its ability to work with various FoodSaver accessories. You can use it to seal zipper bags, canisters, and containers without needing additional attachments. This all-in-one functionality makes it a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Now for the runner-up on my best vacuum sealer machine list. The Weston Pro 2300 is a top-tier vacuum sealer that's worth the investment for serious food preservers and sous vide enthusiasts. The Weston Pro 2300 vacuum sealer is a powerhouse in the kitchen. With its robust 935-watt motor, you'll notice a significant improvement in sealing speed compared to entry-level models. This machine doesn't mess around when it comes to creating airtight seals. You'll appreciate the versatility of the extra-wide 15-inch seal bar. It allows you to use bags up to 15 inches wide, perfect for larger cuts of meat or bulk quantities of food. No more cutting down oversized bags or resealing multiple smaller ones. The stainless steel construction isn't just for looks. It's built to withstand frequent use and resist wear and tear. If you're planning on sealing foods regularly, this machine won't let you down. One standout feature is the manual seal mode. It gives you precise control over the vacuum pressure, which is crucial when sealing delicate items like baked goods or soft fruits. You can stop the vacuum process at any time to prevent crushing your food. The clear acrylic lid is a thoughtful touch. It lets you see exactly where you're placing the bag, ensuring perfect alignment every time. This might seem minor, but it can save you a lot of frustration and wasted bags in the long run. So, what is the best vacuum sealer for food that you can buy? In my opinion, the best vacuum sealer for meat and food is the Avid Armor Chamber Vacuum Sealer Machine USV20. The Avid Armor USV20 Chamber Vacuum Sealer is a game changer for home cooks and food enthusiasts who want professional-grade sealing capabilities in a compact package. You'll love how this chamber vacuum sealer handles liquid-rich foods with ease. Unlike traditional vacuum sealers that struggle with soups and marinades, the Avid Armor USV20 uses high vacuum pressure to create leak-free seals. This means you can preserve sauces, soups, and even cocktails without worrying about messy spills or incomplete seals. The marinating feature is a standout, allowing you to infuse flavors into your meats in minutes rather than hours. By placing your food and marinade in the vacuum chamber, the process opens up the meat's surface, helping it absorb flavors more quickly and deeply. This is perfect for when you're short on time, but still want that restaurant quality taste. Ease of use is a key factor in the USV20's design. The one-touch controls make it simple to achieve perfect seals every time. You don't need to be a tech whiz to operate this machine. Just press a button and watch it work its magic. The clear glass lid also allows you to monitor the sealing process, giving you full control and visibility. The compact size of this sealer is a major plus for those with limited kitchen space. With a compact footprint, it won't hog your counter space like some larger models. Despite its small footprint, it boasts an 11.5-inch sealing bar, which is ample for most home sealing needs. You can easily pack individual portions or small family-sized servings without feeling limited by the machine's size. Versatility is another strong suit of the Avid Armor USV20. It comes with an accessory hose that connects to vacuum canisters, containers, and mason jars. This expands your food storage options beyond just bags, allowing you to keep larger items or multiple servings fresh for longer periods. The ability to vacuum seal jars is particularly useful for preserving dry goods or homemade preserves. So, those are the best vacuum sealers on the market today. Although I have my personal favorites, you can't go wrong with any of these products. Let me know in the comments which vacuum sealer is your favorite. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe even consider subscribing as well.